Stuck checking Instagram only on your phone? You don't have to anymore. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to get Instagram running as a real app on your Windows 10 computer. Bigger screen, easier typing, and no more squinting at a tiny phone display. This takes less than 5 minutes, so let's jump straight in. Click the search icon on your taskbar, at the bottom left of your screen. Type Microsoft Store and click the store icon when it shows up in the results. Once the store opens, click the search bar at the top. Type Instagram and press enter. You'll see the official Instagram app appear at the top of the results. Click on it to open its page. Tip for viewers: make sure you pick the app published by Instagram Incorporated to avoid lookalike apps. On the app page, click the Get or Install button. Windows will start downloading Instagram automatically, and you'll see a progress bar. This usually only takes a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once installation finishes, the button will change to Open. Click it, and Instagram will launch right on your desktop. No browser needed. Want one-click access next time? Right-click the Instagram tile or click the Pin to Start option to add it to your Start menu. You can also pin it to your taskbar by right-clicking the Open App icon and choosing Pin to Taskbar. If you'd rather launch it straight from your desktop, click the three-dot menu at the top of the app window, look for the shortcut option, and confirm. A shortcut icon will appear on your desktop instantly. That's it, Instagram is fully installed. Open it, log in with your username and password, and you're scrolling, posting, and messaging just like you would on your phone, but on a full-size screen. If Instagram doesn't show up in the Microsoft Store search, make sure Windows is fully updated first. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install any pending updates, then try again. And that's how easy it is to get Instagram running on your Windows 10 PC. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what app you want me to install next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.